Hello friends! Today we're going to make something really simple and also really meaningful. So when we were talking on Sunday at our class with Vanessa, we were talking about I am statements. I am, and then what you put after that. And she said, what if you put a sticky note up on your mirror so in the morning you remember that? And that's how you start your day. So I had an idea of what we could do, and what we're gonna do is make a speech bubble. Here comes Max to help. We're gonna make a speech bubble and put that on the mirror, and it will look like you're in a comic book and like this words are coming out of your mouth, okay? This is gonna be really simple and fun. Okay, so what we need to do, I'm gonna start with a pencil and make that kind of a shape, right? And then I'm gonna make like a circle coming out of that. Pretty easy, right? Then I'm gonna go over that with my Sharpie. And the reason I'm using a permanent marker is because bathrooms get kind of hot and wet and sweaty. And so I thought if I use a Sharpie, it won't run. So I'm just going around that, and if I don't exactly get on the line, it doesn't matter. Okay, so there I have my speech bubble. And if I want, I can take an eraser and just erase out any pencil lines that are showing, or leave them. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut that out, and I'm gonna cut so I can see the black line, because I want it to look more like a comic book. So while you're doing this, you can be thinking about, what am I? And like Don said in his talk on Sunday, if you guys watched that, he said, I choose what I let into my consciousness, into my thoughts, and what I dwell on. Okay, so here's my cool speech bubble. Hello. Now, I'm gonna write I am, and what am I gonna fill in there? It's not how I feel, it's what I am truly. I am hope. Because even if I don't feel hope every second, I am hope. My true self, my God self, is hope. And a lot of other things. So I'm sure you're a lot of other things too. So I'm gonna stick that up on my mirror. You can make some rolls of tape to put on the back and stick it right up there. And think about who you are in the morning. All right, have a great day, everybody. See you later.